The man accused of killing 4 University of Idaho students in 2022 was back in a Latah County court this afternoon. Still no trial date set for Bryan Kohberger, but we do have some idea when it may happen.
March 3rd, 2025. That would be more than a year away. But there are other issues the judge wants to consider first, including a change of venue hearing. Amanda Rowley from our sister station in Spokane was in the courtroom for several hours today.
Right now, we still don't know for certain when this murder trial will happen or where it will be held. But after today's hearing, we are closer to finding out. First up, May 14th. That is when the judge is currently expecting to hear arguments from the defense on moving the trial out of Latah County. Defense attorney Ann Taylor told the judge she would rather determine the change of venue sooner rather than later.
Especially given the length that this trial is anticipated to go, we'll need to schedule a courtroom either here or in another county in Idaho.
The state says it's premature to discuss change of venue so far out from the trial. Latah County Prosecutor Bill Thompson says the court should be able to determine what impacts, such as publicity, will have on the actual jury pool.
There has to be a showing that that publicity or whatever has impacted the juror to the point where that juror cannot sit in this box as a fair and impartial juror and make a decision based only on the evidence presented in this courtroom. That's the issue that Your Honor is going to have to decide on the change of venue question. And you can't do that based on a bunch of affidavits from experts who say, Judge, there's been a lot of publicity.
There are other considerations besides just the massive amount of media and an impact on potential jurors. That's what we're going to talk about. I think it's timely. I think it's appropriate to set a change of venue motion. I think it is what makes the most sense for the court to make that determination and set a trial date from there.
The judge says he wants to make an informed decision about changing the venue, which is why he wants to see what the defense has to present in their arguments, but fully recognizing that he can still deny their request. A trial date has not yet been decided, but the state is proposing a trial date of March 3rd next year. But that won't be determined until after the change of venue hearing in May. Reporting in Moscow, Amanda Rowley, KREM 2 News.
These decisions just keep getting delayed.
Longer and longer.
In front of this judge. Still to